Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This morning we are going to go through how Akparawa is have made made it clear to Biafrans to know why everybody need to fall back to Biafran government in Eza. Instead of Biafran, United States of Biafra, as it was declared on 29th of November 2024. So some of us have watched the video where an unknown person that couldn't even show her face. So first, with the idea of everybody going back to square one before the way it were before the convention. So now Barawa did not, because Biafran have been asking questions and he's here trying to throw more light on that. The Cut and John video that he's known for have actually brought out another propaganda just yesterday. He made this video yesterday, 20th of January 2025. Today is 21st of January 2025. And I am here to share it with you to see the reason why, in his own mind, it is wise to go back to fall back. And one of the reasons is because of what he said here. So I'm going to allow the video to play, then you hear it yourself. But before then, click on the like button. Very, very important you do so. Like the video. That's a way you can support us apart from super chat. Then subscribe to the channel if you have not. Comment, of course, very, very important as well. So listen to this. Okay.
Is sacrosanct. This December 2nd is sacrosanct. Oh my God.
Let me take it back. Let me take it back again so that you hear.
This December 2nd is sacrosanct.
Okay.
This December 2nd is sacrosanct. Oh my God.
So that is it. So now Akparawa recording the same thing.
This December 2nd is sacrosanct.
Okay. Now listen.
What did Madam do? Madam, let me go back again. Madam has succeeded in removing the sacrosanct of Prime Minister to become
weeks, it could last 3 weeks, it could last a month, but that 29th of November is sacrosanct.
That is all about. That is all about it. That 29th now is sacrosanct for her.
Now, this change of date is one of the reasons, if not the only reason, Akparawa is in support or was advised to say what he's saying, because they cooked up a script and handed it over to the woman to come and read it out. Maybe we're going to talk more about it with that audio again, but let's focus on this particular video. The question should be to you, Biafrans, or well-meaning of lovers of freedom. If you are being asked, this change of date, is it a good reason to go back to where we are coming from? Is it a good reason, like you lost something? Sacrosanct is missing. That's what he's trying to tell you. That sacrosanct from PM is missing. Is this the only thing that PM said that you guys have actually tampered? PM know that he don't have a deputy. He knows that he don't have a deputy. What he has was COS and other cabinet members. What I mean by deputy, like deputy prime minister. He don't have it then. And he don't have anybody to replace him. He himself, Akparawa, asked that question. Technically. But he asked that question in a way that PM will say no, not that he asked that question genuinely. Because he first accused PM of saying something PM did not say. And for PM to clear air, he said, no, that's not what I said. That's all. He hung on that one and believing that is what he need to use to do propaganda when this day come. Now hear him again, because when I said that he is one of the most manipulative human being around in the Biafra movement, believe it or not, that's who he is. Listen.
While your PM was making 2nd of December sacrosanct for the entire year and dead on arrival. My fellow Biafrans, December 2nd, we are going to make history. This December 2nd is sacrosanct. This December 2nd is sacrosanct. Hey, hello, hello, Kimerime.
Hello, Kimelima. I don't understand this Igbo. My brother, son Akparawa, you are not talking to a child, though. Where is the video where PM said that it could be earlier? That this day may change. Did he say that or not? You just call the part that suits your narrative. And let's assume that the PM did not even say it could be early. What did you lose? PM is not here for crying out loud. And he's not here does not mean that you change the date against him or to insult him. That reminds us what is going on. Where is account update? Give us account of the money that have been sending to the account of your prime minister, because he is your prime minister, not PM. Where is the account, and why did he refuse to comment on that? As long as PM is being questioned about the activities of that account, this question of the account report update, we not just skip, we not just run away. You will be asking for this, because you cannot, use people to gain favor, whereas you are using them like rag. Everything you want is one thing that Ogenkere is lacking now is one. Two, one thing is this. One is making sure that Biafran keep on bringing money. Number two is to ride around him and see him and perceive him as a leader. If these two things is being handed over to him now, PM and all the issue, everything will be just nonsense. But you see these two things, he's not going to have it. I just believe it. There's no way. One is that you have to have a clean hand. You have to present your work. PM is PM today because of his work. Namaka can do the same thing. You don't just ignore those ones and expect us to believe. And everything about you guys are shortcut, cheap, shortcut, fake, shortcut, lie. Everything. From your conflict resolution committee, who you have nicknamed electoral body, okay, of a Biafran government in Neza. What did your charter say about your electoral process? You have charter that is give birth to Constitution, or I don't know which of them give birth to whoever, or Constitution give birth to charter. I'm not mocking charter. What I'm trying to tell you, show us the charter. What charter said about your electoral body, how to become prime minister, how to swearing in process or electoral process of the government. Charter have every detail, isn't it? So show us. No, you don't want to talk about charter then. It is something that is mandated. It is something that you have to do now. Okay, you are doing it without charter, isn't it? Fine. How about you paying attention to the money? The charter also say you should not give account of money that go in. If you guys actually have some brain, even if you don't want to ask Ogenkere about account, how money go in and go out of that account, as long as government of Finland have highlighted account issue, all right, you have no other choice than to revisit that account. If you keep on pretending that, oh, let's forget it, it doesn't matter, it will implicate Mr. L, Mr. B. If you ignore it and PM keep on suffering for what he did not commit, another person is going to do the same. Because the man has succeeded in the first one, so he would like to do an attempt on the second one. If you say there's a mere propaganda, that people are blackmailing your prime minister, which is Ogenkere, then prove it by Ogenkere coming out to say, okay, look at the account. What are you guys talking? It's a lie, yo. That's evidence that you like to talk about. Now let me play it again. Let's continue because I have seen this. This guy is something else. Just listen.
Hello.
Okay.
In the history of Biafra, as we are going to fulfill our destiny on that very day, the heaven and the earth.
That is the end of the video. He just called this part just to let you know that one of the reasons you need to fall back is this. That's all, nothing more. Fall for this. That you need to go back to square one. For this, nothing more. Equals equal. Please, you don't need to believe me. You don't need to side anybody. Allow your sense, your mind to open for truth. What I'm saying is not that I hate. I don't drive joy seeing anybody sinking. I'm not attacking anybody. Only those who don't like the truth will see what I'm saying as a problem. If you see it as a problem, like what some of all those mushroom freedom fighters. Why I call them freedom fighters? Because that's what they say they are. They are not freedom fighters. They don't fight for freedom, but they claim they are freedom fighters. All these mushroom guys, people who are yapping nonsense, saying that they paid me money. I am Sabo. Go and check the meaning of Sabo, and before you call me Sabo, make sure you are right. Or before you say that they paid me money, make sure you are right. Otherwise, Chineke Bogog. How? I am not here to accuse anybody. I'm only telling you what is on social media. If somebody accuses you of something, you need to debunk it. Like you guys called me also that I because already paid me money. I use I'm here on my platform. I debunked it. That is a lie. Nobody paid me anything. That is me explaining myself to you, even though you don't deserve it. Some of you, I'm talking about those who don't listen to the video. Once they read the title, they have a comment already. So I don't know. Ask your APM to come and give you. Is that this APM sounds like April? Is it April? Anyway, so tell him to come and give you the clarity so that people will stop questioning him or dragging him. He can't do that because he knows that he's Nakazo, but the whole thing. My people, thank you so much. And please, before you go like this video, very, very important that you do so. Click on the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new. God bless you again. Bye-bye for now.